Petra is organising a prom for her year group. The number of people attending is likely to be between 20 and 80. The cost of holding the prom at the Hotel Avonwen would be as follows. Hire of the room is £100. This means that that's the setup cost. Even if nobody attends, it's going to cost them £100. Then there's food at £15 per person. Welcome drink is £3 per person. Decorations then is £2 per person. Draw a graph to illustrate, so that means the total cost for them 3 people is £20, oh sorry, for them 3 things, which per person means 15 add 3 is 18, add 2 is 20, so it's £20 per person. Draw a graph to illustrate the total cost of holding the prom for between 20 and 80 people. What I'm going to do now is set up a table where I'm going to find out the cost it is they want between 20 and 80 people. I'm going to start with 0, and then I'm going to go up in 20s, and then I'm going to find out how much it costs. For 0 people to go, the higher the room is the only charge, and that's £100. For 20 people to go, you've then got 20 people all paying £20, and 20 times 20 is 400, plus the setup fee of £100, which makes 500. For 40 people to go, you got all of them paying £20, so 40 times 20 is 800, plus the 100, which is 900. For 60 to go, you'd have 60 times 20 is 1,200, plus the 100 is 1,300. And for 80 people to go, you got 8 2s is 16, so 80 times 20 is 1,600, plus the 100 is 1,700. So what I'm going to do now is set it up, and because I'm going from 0 to 80, I can see it's 5 blocks. So it's good to go across in 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, so my graph is spread out. I'm going up, my highest point is 1,700, so it's 4 blocks, so I'm going to go up in 500, so every little square is 50 going up and 2 going across. So I'm going across 0 up 100, which is the setup cost, across 20 up 500, across 40 up 900, across 60 up 1,300, and across 80 and up 1,700, and then I'm going to join them up, and then that's what makes the graph to illustrate the total cost. Part B. Petra decides to share all the costs equally between the people attending. Let P pound be the price paid per person, and then N be the number of people attending the prom. So if I was thinking about this, it's going to be £100 setup cost, and then it's going to be £20 per person. So if I was charging people this, and I wanted a formula to find out the price per person, P is going to be, everybody has got to pay £20. So it's going to be £20. So if one person goes, it'd be £120. So her charge would be 20 plus 100, which is 120. If 2 people go, it'd be the £100 setup plus 2 lots of 20 is 40. So that'd be £140, which would be between 2 of them £70 each. So what I have to do is always £20 plus it's 100 divided by the number of people going, because if 50 people went, the cost of the whole hire would only then be 100 divided by 50, which is £2. If 100 people went, the cost of the whole hire would be 100 divided by 100 plus 20. Part C. Hiring a larger room costs £200. The cost per person for food, welcome drinks and decorations remains the same. If the total cost is 2,240, how many people attended? So what they're telling me now is the total cost is 2,240. The hire of the room is 200. So if you remember, the total cost is going to be the hire of the room, okay, plus the cost of the people attending. So I'm going to work out the cost of the total cost of the people attending. So if my total cost of the whole thing is 2,240, the hire of the room is 200. So this bit by here, the cost of the people is then going to be taking them away. So it's going to be 2,240, take away 200, which is 2,040. That's the cost of the people going. And each person is £20 per person. So to find one person, to find how many people attend, okay, so the number of people attending is going to be 2,040 because it's £20 per person, divided by 20, and cross the zeros off, and half of 204 is £102. So the answer to that last one is the 102 people, not pounds, sorry, 102 people attend. Okay, thank you.